Alright guys, welcome back. Got some Mexican music in the background, so hopefully we don't get copyrighted for that amazing music. As you can see, we are up in the attic right now. If some of you OGs are out there, then you remember that we were up here about like 2-3 months ago doing all this pipe work, so nothing extreme, but back up here putting these boxes in. So they temped in some lights or whatever. They got all the lights installed, so they turned those on temporarily. But I got the flashlight on my phone going too, so hopefully you guys can see pretty well. So we're gonna be putting these boxes up here tomorrow. Basically I have to finish a little bit of piping. One of them's down there, one of them's gonna go over here probably, so just installing these boxes for the home runs. And try to show you some of the pipe work before the other guy comes back, end of the day. So yeah, nothing crazy, just some 90s, and then those are straight. Got that little offset right here. These are basically just all straight, supposedly. So these go straight all the way back here. So this is going to be running the power for all the rooms on the 4th floor. So say this is one room right here. That's all 20 home runs. It's going to go in one of these boxes. From that box, that pipe is going to connect back to the panel for the power source and then power it up. So basically it's just going to be a splice box. So inside the box you're going to have all the home run Romexes, and then you're just going to tie them to the wire that you pull in through the pipes. So it'll just be a big old wire nut frenzy in there. And then these guys just decided to take our pipes off and cut a hole here and run their pipes. So we'll have to offset over the top of those. So didn't want to go crazy here before the double offset, so we just cut it in the middle and did 245. So that's getting really bright, so yay. So we got 90 there, and then these are straight. So once again, we just have to do a little bit of piping here. So this isn't really going to be a how-to video, but one of the old school work explanations of what I'm doing and stuff. So hopefully you don't mind that. So this is gonna have to get cut a little bit and then offsetted to the box maybe. So that'll be either on the wall or around the corner, so whatever's easiest or whatever we decide. So gonna show you guys the other stuff. So we're gonna be up here tomorrow, so see what I can do for installs. So worst case, I'll do some talking about the code, or I can just drop down at the end of the day, go into a room and install something for you guys to watch. So got all these boxes laid out and unboxed. Basically just the last half hour of the day, just getting all this stuff up here. Then we'll hit it tomorrow and see how it goes. So shouldn't take too long, I don't think, but we'll see how it goes. It's 1-inch EMT, and that box is gonna go right over there, and then there's gonna be another one basically opposite of that, right over where all these wires are coming out. You can't really see it, but it's gonna be right in there. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and thank you so much for 100,000 views. I live in it by faith right now that we got it. As you can tell, I'm at work and haven't checked it. So anyways, thanks for all the support, guys. I appreciate it. You guys are the best. Thanks for all the comments yesterday telling me that you want me to keep going. Appreciate it. There's like 10 or 12 of you guys, so appreciate that. Appreciate the support, you guys. Thank you so much. I will catch you tomorrow, and hopefully you enjoyed the update. If you did, give it a like and subscribe if you're new, or you want to check back tomorrow and see the new content. So peace out, guys. Later. Catch you tomorrow. God bless. So here's a little extra. Some of you guys were wondering how it's going over here, and this is the last part of the building C. So they are sheetrock texturing and mudding, so the heat's like 70 degrees, and up in the attic it's literally like 90 where I just was. So just giving you guys a little sneak peek of how the sheetrockers are doing, and then still have to wait for all our stuff. So some makeup right there, and that wasn't mine, so I do all my stuff sideways. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and catch you guys later. Peace out. All right, looks like I lied again. So here is my new to me toolbox. Basically my dad gave this to me, so it has a little lock on it right here, so I keep all the gangsters out. So just threw all my old tools in there from my little baggie. So yeah, I brought my heater. It's like 20 degrees. Call me a pussy, I don't care. Okay, so used that a little bit. It actually helped out, so it was nice to warm my hands up and hot box the room in here. So I'm gonna throw my stuff in here, lock it up, take it down to the gang box. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I usually have to take this home and charge it every night because I don't know how long it actually lasts. It usually blinks once when it's getting weak, and then it blinks twice, and then it dies after that. So usually it blinks once or whatever, and then I just throw it on the charger. But anyways, I'm not sure how long it actually lasts. Depends on what brightness you use. So there's 5 different settings of brightnesses. So anyways, it usually lasts at least 45 minutes, but usually could probably last 3 or 4 hours, just depending on what brightness you use. So all right guys, I'm done. Peace out. Bye bye. All right, final thing, just putting the heater away, taking this home. Here's my old bag right here. You guys have probably already seen it, but taking that home, and then leaving the toolbox right there, leaving my tools right there. So anyways,